Parts came in for the dryer. See, I got some rollers. Idler pulley. Okay. I'm not sure what's wrong with this dryer, but this is what it sounds like. If you're gonna mess with the drum and the rollers, might as well put a new belt on there. Sure is a little belt. I expected like a V belt from an alternator, you know. This thing's like, I'll open this up later. That's $132 worth of parts. So I'll be taking this apart because it's awfully noisy. It's like, what the hell are you doing, boy? Yeah. All right, got that plug out. Got this other plug out. And we got this piece right here. I see a little screws here and there. There's a big screw here. Oh, that's a roller right there, okay. I got 2 rollers, so some screws. I think I'll take these 4 screws off and see what happens. I disconnected that wire. I disconnected this wire. I like this plug here, this plug. Yeah, it's nice and simple, just press on it. In fact, I thought it said press on there. Oh well. That came right off. So we'll do that, and hopefully this stuff here in the bottom all comes off in one piece. See how much lint is stuck in there. It's not that bad. Okay, so that came off. Oh, see a little dust in there. This is why you're supposed to clean these things, you know, every 10 years or so. It's really not too bad there. But look at inside there. Shit, is that money? Yeah, well, all right, clean that out. Not too bad. There's one roller. Here's the other roller. See the flat spot? The hump. So you can see where it's the dust from the deterioration, right? Okay, so I also got a belt and an idler pulley. So I think I need to take the drum out now. I guess the drum just sits in there. I see another wheel or something way back in there, but I only got 2. All they sent me was 2. We'll monkey with it and see what happens. Here's the belt. Hopefully I got the right belt. I don't need to put the belt, but I got one just in case. All right, so vacuum that out, okay. I may take this shroud off here to get in there a little better. But that thing there, all that came out of there. We got, hey, electrical connectors, hairpins, and let's see, 2 quarters and 3 dimes. There's the other quarters up here. Yeah. 50, 60, 70, 80 cents. All right. Yeah. I think I might take this outside and just hose it. Once I take those, I mean, I can even leave those rollers on right now. Maybe I do that right now and I just leave it out there for a while so it dries up. While I mess around with this other stuff. Maybe. Well, that only took a few hours. Shit's almost 4 o'clock, but yeah, everything's good. Now this thing has 4 rollers in it, and the kit I ordered only has 2. The only bad ones were in the front. The ones in the back were okay. So I just took them apart and put some grease on them and put them back in. Replaced the front ones. The belt was good, but I replaced the belt anyway, the belt and the idler, so Seals were good. There's seals on the drum. You put the belt in, it's a flat belt, right? It's about this long. And there's a way to go around the idler. I forgot to write that down. So, you know, it's like, okay, it took me a while to figure that out. You gotta make sure that belt's flat. You don't want it to twist. So once I put it all together, I just spun it by hand to make sure there was no points where the belt got twisted. So you're good. Just like new, right? Should be blowing more air now that I got all that lint out of there. Well, come on. 12 more minutes. Holy cow. It's already 1 o'clock. I want to get out of here. Gotta put some clothes on, right? It's laundry day. Finally! Put some clothes on.